So this is Raylyn being retarded. And it's my toilet. I'm Evelyn. Yeah. What the hell are you doing?
I'm fixing my shirt. Mi teléfono.
Mis calzones. You skid mark. Oh man, that's funny. Yeah.
Like a trumpet.
Like a trumpet. This is all pop lock and drop it over her.
That's just how I roll. Rolling with the homies.
She wishes. How does it go?
Rolling
with the homies.
Rolling with the homies.
How?
Rolling.
So we would like to sing you a song. Animal crackers in my soup. Monkeys and
I don't know this song.
monkeys and something loop the loop.
Monkeys and
Let's watch her think. So don't die, fool.
monkeys and what am I saying? Loop-de-loop.
Monkeys and poop. Loop de loop. Yeah.
Fruit? Monkeys and fruit?
Since when are animals fruit? I mean, since when are you know what I mean? God. Go that way.
I feel no.
Huh?
No. Hello, lover.
Alright, are we done?
Yes.
Okay, let's say goodbye. Goodbye.